All right, it is 10:30 in the morning and I just arrived at Gatwick Airport in England. I am connecting up to Scotland, flew in from New York overnight, but my connection is not for another 5 hours. So I could wander around the airport. There are some lounges I could check out, but I kind of wanted a bed to sleep in for a couple of hours. I don't always sleep well on airplanes. So I figured I'd check out a YotelAir. And if you haven't heard of this before, it's a convenient little hotel that has just the bare minimum, the basics, to get a little bit of rest in between flights. You can also stay overnight, but they have hourly rates, so you can just crash here between flights. So I figured I would check it out and show you guys what I have. This is the look at the entryway, and turning around to walk to my room. And I'm one of the first rooms here on the right. There I am. So when you come in, you have the bed, which is perfect for a solo traveler. You could probably fit 2 skinny people in here if you really wanted to, but great for just a single person. And the bed has a TV, has an extra pillow. And then you have a fold-out table, a little step to get up to the bed, and a whole bathroom area. You have a shower, a toilet, and a sink. And then, of course, all of the plugs, outlets that you can hope for. And that's it. That's the full tour. I'm going to get some rest, and I'll see you in Scotland.